We've all been there, trapped in a loop of digital elevator music, while a recorded voice keeps saying, "Your call is important to us." But what if I told you, while you are waiting there, a hidden system has already decided exactly how much your time is worth? There is a secret number attached to your name, a shadow score, and that score may decide whether you speak to a real human or get trapped in an endless waiting loop. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the hidden value system used to rank modern citizens. Because the system may not be broken, it may be working exactly as designed. I've spent weeks looking into data analytics, customer ranking systems, and something called customer lifetime value, or CLV. Big companies use this number to estimate how much profit you may bring them over time. Think of it like a credit score, but instead of measuring your debt, it measures how much money a company believes it can make from you. It is like a digital velvet rope. If your score is high, the rope disappears. If your score is low, the algorithm quietly says, "Keep this person waiting." But this is not just about bad customer service. This is about power, a deeper kind of power. The power to predict you, rank you, sort you, and treat you differently without ever telling you why. Philosopher Carissa Velez warns that AI predictions are not always neutral facts. Sometimes they become hidden commands. They tell companies how to treat you, who deserves attention, who gets ignored, who gets access, and who gets pushed aside. When powerful people say, "AI is the future," they are not always just predicting. Sometimes they are shaping the future in a way that benefits them. That is how prediction can become control. And this creates a strange world, a world where you cannot fight the decision because no one tells you where the decision came from. You are not rejected for what you did. You are rejected for what an algorithm thinks you might become. That is the real danger. We see the same pattern in the idea of the model citizen, a person who fits perfectly inside the system, a person who follows the rules, consumes properly, works quietly, complains politely, and never questions who designed the cage. In highly organized societies, success can sometimes create fear. People stop taking risks. They avoid initiative. They stay inside safe lines, and slowly, the spirit of the community begins to disappear. But here is the most dangerous part. When these systems fail, they fail fast. We live in a just-in-time world. Your grocery store is not really a warehouse. It is more like a display case. If the supply trucks stop, the shelves can empty quickly. If the power grid goes down, your shadow score will not save you. Your community will. Your relationships will. Your preparation will. Your trust with real people will. Most neighborhoods are not designed for independence. They are designed for dependency. When everything works, that feels convenient, but when the system breaks, dependency becomes dangerous. The polite surface of modern life can disappear quickly when people are scared, hungry, and unprepared. That is why we need to stop living like passive observers. The shadow score wants you quiet, predictable, easy to manage, easy to rank. But you are not a number. You are not a data point. You are not dead weight inside someone else's system. You can become an anchor for your family, your community, your future. That starts by demanding transparency. We need to know what scores are being kept on us. We need to know how decisions are being made. And we need to build real-world networks that no black box algorithm can control. Don't let a corporate balance sheet define your value. Don't let a hidden prediction decide your future. The future is still unwritten, and that is good news because it means the page is still blank. Hit subscribe and join us as we keep pulling back the curtain on the invisible systems shaping our lives. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll look at how to build a life outside the reach of the shadow score.